Hi everyone, this is Tichelle. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do unboxing my 27-inch Mac computer. Oh yeah! Oh, la la la! Oops, oops, oops!
Wow!
OMG! I'm so excited! Wow! Love it! Okay, let me open it. Oh my gosh! I'm scared to open. I don't know how to open, guys. Wow. My gosh, I don't know how to open this. Look at that. Wow. I love it. Thank you, G. Thank you, Ga. Alright. I'm so excited. Hey guys, this is what it looks like, the 27-inch Mac computer. This is the front. This is the back. Is that beautiful? There's a Mac Apple logo at the back, silver and black, and it comes with the wireless keyboard and the mouse. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and see you on my next video. Thank you everyone.